Mugomo wa arutani a thukuru cia sekondari aria mari rungu rwa kiama gia KUPPET ni woingirire thiku ya keri muthenya wa umuthi kuri arutani aya mehitite matigucoka irathi-ini nginyagia mateta mao mathikiririo. Akiaria ari mwena wa NAIVASHA, Minista wa GITHOMO JULIUS OGAMBA augite thirikari NIIRARANIRIA na kiama gia KUPPET miario iria matanyite ni guciara matunda niguo arutani mateanirie mugomo wao. AKIUGA THIRIKARI nikinyaniirie ikereka ria keri ria ngirimiti iria maiguaniire na maundu maria matakinyaniirio TSC nirarumbuiania namo.
All the major issues that had prompted strike notices have either been addressed or are lined up for effective and decisive conclusion within the shortest timelines. We therefore beseech those teachers that may not have resumed work to return to their workstations to prepare candidates for national assessments and examinations.
MIGOS augite kamiti ya kuandika arutani TSC iri mihango-ini ya kurekereria nyongerera ya mishara ya arutani ya mweri muhituku wa mugwanja na mweri uyu gugikinyiria gatano ga kiumia giki kuona ministry ya kigena nirekereirie shiringi bilioni 13.5 riri ari ikinya rimwe ria kuhingia mamwe ma maundu maria mari ngirimiti-ini ya mwaka wa 2021
We are negotiating with them. You know, these issues are administrative in nature. In fact, it is not in the CBA. What was in the CBA was the payment. That has been done. But these are legitimate issues that they have and which the government is responding to.
Gugikinyiria muthia wa mwaka uyu, thirikari itanyite kuongerera arutani 20,000 na warutani a JSS maandikwo mawira ma gutura Januari ya mwaka ukite wa 2025 na kigena kiria kiigitwo keheri-ini gia shiringi bilioni 18.7.
The government has also provided 8.7 billion for the conversion of the intern teachers to permanent and pensionable status in January 2025. So they should not be having any anxiety over whether or not they are going to be confirmed.
Oho thirikari ni yugite ni mararaniria na ministry ya kigena niguo erekererie shiringi bilioni 3.3 iria itanyitwo kuhuthika hari ngombo cia mathomo na scholarship kuri arutwo aria maraingira university na thukuru cia kothi cia moko. Maya magithiaga na mbere arutani no mathire na mbere na mugomo wao kaunti-ini cia Embu, Narok na Nandi.
Last week, one of us lady teachers was operated in the Nairobi West Hospital, and I repeat, Nairobi West Hospital. She underwent a theater operation for 2 hours and she was discharged on the same day because our insurance could not pay for her admission in the hospital.
They have said that they will pay the CBA on Friday, the 13.3 billion, but that is not enough.
To the principals who have summoned teachers that tutawatembelea, tutafika tuwasalimia kwa sababu tumesema this agitation is for every teacher.
We used to have medical allowance, but they were taken away, and cumulatively the teachers have raised 22 billion.
I've been teaching for the last 24 years. I've never had a promotion.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejetagwo Wagoi wa Muirore.